be baby mama, if they obvious say not be pikin matter carry you come Lord of Lemon house. Now Gbola carry you come Lord of Lemon house. Maybe the time when Lord of Lemon take deceive you, so now make you come now say you want to possess your possession. Not be small something. So Lord of Lemon from last year to this year now woman matter. Now you go just continue. This year go just see end. Now Lord of Lemon marriage now for the say different women go come dey drag one bed. Now Lord of Lemon marriage for the see am. I ever see this kind of marriage since I was born. Now Lord of Lemon why for the see am. Say different women go come dey drag matrimonial home. If really say na really matrimonial home, not be small sorting. Who go abeg buy yourself some shame because this one me I will not support you. This is something else. I not go support you for this one. Igbo girls no dey do this one. I don't understand your kind of person. Buy some shame. Guys, share this video. I remain your humble girl, Linda Gist TV. Thank you so much, my people. Do not forget to share. Bye-bye.
So you stand up from there. And then get down, you know they like that. But I'm stand up from there. Stand up from there. Can we finish this? Come on, stand up from there.
I said I cannot enter that room.
Come,
I will stay here.
Stand up from that place. Madam, leave.
Emma, with me, oh.
Leave.
Oh.
Madam, get out from my You don't know say I get enemies for this house. You get this house, you see everybody. They equal. You don't know say I get enemies for this house. You don't know my enemies. Understand? Yes, we say we get the same beauty, but you don't know my enemies. This boy.
Lemon.
can't. You want to see the other side of me?
You will not even see me an inch close to your gate.
Is there something wrong with you?
An inch close
Why are
to
you
your
doing my
gate.
best?
Because the AC here is better and it's good, and especially for my skin, Lemon. You know my skin is my business. Please, you understand this? That fan is there. You can, or you sleep in that room now, Abby. There's nothing there. You can sleep in that room. I just want AC.
Because you are cheap.
Just
You
want
want
AC.
AC.
Oh, cheap.
Not because you
Ugo.
are cheap.
Ugo,
You are claiming you are fighting
please
for
come,
property.
let's
Which
talk.
property are you
I
fighting
don't,
for?
so she did not answer you to talk. Is me. I'm not coming anywhere. I'm a peaceful person. I just want to sleep. Eh? I just want to sleep. Ha.
Out.
Please.
I don't have an issue.
Leave. Where's my car?
I will leave when she leaves this room.
Ngwa, come and carry me.
Just say.
Now trouble you define. No?
Already.
You have your own place. I have no business with you. I have no business with you. Respect yourself and leave.
Every business to do with me.